Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to graph a linear equation. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel after watching this video, and if you're watching from our Facebook page, please follow us here on Facebook. Now, let's get started. The equation that we are going to graph is y equals 2x plus 1. As you can see, a coordinate grid is set up next to the equation. So what is the first step that we're going to take? Let's find the y-intercept. Remember, the y-intercept is the point at when x equals 0. In the general form of a linear equation, which is y equals mx plus b, m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So what is the b in this equation? The b in this equation is 1. So we know that the y-intercept is at 0, 1. So when x equals 0, y equals 1. Let's plot that on our graph. So our first point on the graph is at 0, 1. Now let's find another point. So how are we going to do that? Well, let's look at the slope. What is the slope in this equation? Remember, the slope is like the rate of change. In the general form of a linear equation, which is y equals mx plus b, m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So what is the m in this equation? The m in this equation is 2. So every time x increases by 1, y increases by 2. Now that we have identified the slope, let's pick an x-coordinate and substitute it for x. Let's pick the x-coordinate of 1. So when x equals 1, what is y? Let's put 1 into the equation. So we have 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, so when x equals 1, y equals 3. As you can see, a point is now plotted at 1, 3. Now that 2 points are plotted on the graph, let's connect a line through those points. If you're graphing, make sure that the line goes through points that correspond with the equation. So there you have it. We have graphed the linear equation on the graph. I hope you understood how we graph the linear equation. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned from this video, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you're watching from our Facebook page, please follow us here on Facebook. Please support us as we create and provide educational videos, so please hit that subscribe button, and if you're watching from our Facebook page, please hit that follow button. Check out more of our videos on YouTube and on our Facebook page. Also stay tuned for more videos.